So you put all that together and you get chinwenwa, meaning basically God, almost kind of like God owns children. God is the one who bestows the gift of children or childbirth onto humanity. You get what I'm saying? A lot of times it is, let's say a woman is having challenges conceiving a child, right? And when that child finally comes, she might name that child Chinwenwa, which means, you know, it's a way to kind of like console herself, to let her know that everything is in God's hands anyway. I might have struggled to conceive, but God is the one who, everything's in God's hands. God is the one who will give me the child anyway. It's not gonna come when I want necessarily, right? It's all in God's hands. You know, it's God's plan for when He wants me to have a child. You get what I'm saying? So that's why